Okay, so this is gonna be awesome. A little bit tired. Oh, we have a rooster next door. Had a majorly long travel day yesterday from Toronto to Athens. About a 6-hour delay in Athens. Jumped on a plane to Heraklion, Crete. Got the rental car after that. Had about an hour-and-a-half drive to the Airbnb here, and it's our first full day. This is the beast that is going to be getting us around for the trip. There's 6 of us here. My wife, Deborah, Lee, Matt, Christina. We actually have 2 of these, but yeah, this is going to be our trip to Greece. First road trip of the trip, heading for Rethymnos. Probably not pronouncing that right, but that's where we're going. There's the fort right there. On the hunt for some food now. Check out this little street here. Made it to Rethymno. Food that way?
Yeah.
That looks so good.
Spicy lamb kebab.
Yeah. Looks delish. Lamb kebab, first taste. The kebab. The food here is ridiculous. All right, lunch was amazing. Pretty quiet here. I thought it'd be a little bit more busy with tourists, but not too bad. Heading for the, I think it's called the Venetian Fortezza right now. Made it. There's the gate. Ooh. Pretty cool.
Ooh, look at that. That's a nice shot. Right through there. There you go.
Wow. Just to give you an idea of what we're dealing with here.
I'm a co-producer.
I'm gonna back her. Backing out slowly here. Oh, gonk my head. Look at this.
Worth the concussion.
Totally worth the
concussion.
Just gorgeous. Chapel. I think you can go in, yeah. Ooh. Check it out in here.
Gotta make the channel, so.
Okay, Chris. Our in-house TimeToGo historian. Tell us what this is all about.
This is actually an eating kitchen. You would have had your stove and dishwasher.
Guess what? I got a flashlight. That's the laundry room, was it, Lisa?
Library.
Library, okay. Another pretty amazing view here. Right over there is the lighthouse that we were at a few minutes ago. Day 2. Rethymno yesterday. Amazing, beautiful city. Had a great time today. We're visiting Hanya. So one thing that's been really cool about the trip is a friend of mine that I met through the channel, Stavros. A little horse action there. Stavros is from Crete, and he's been giving us all kinds of recommendations. It's been a big help for the trip, and hopefully gonna meet up with him at some point in time before we take off. But yeah, thank you, Stavros. Appreciate it.
You guys want to get a drink?
Frappe time.
Yes, thank you.
Holy cow, that is delish. How cool is Okay, so it's been super windy, but it died for just a second. We're on the way to a gorge. We're in a gorge, actually. On the way to a waterfall. Freaking out about the height situation, big time. But we'll get there. Probably will have to have music over this because it's been a really windy, but all you would have heard is me cursing the entire way down anyway, so I think we're almost at the bottom though. Whew. Going in there. Freezing cold, man. I'm doing it. Back from the gorge. Matt, what was the name of that gorge?
Curatolotico.
Nailed it.
We totally suck at the pronunciation of some of the places here, but it was amazing. And now we are at Plakias Beach. This is amazing. I feel like I've said the word amazing describing Crete so far a lot of times, but it is just gorgeous here. Look at the view. How awesome. Look, baby shark.
You know what? I would be less afraid. How crazy! I would be less afraid of a shark than I would of that grasshopper.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy, man.
Just on a little walk with Matt and Chris. Oh, look at this. Cool. Heading for this cave. Gotta kind of keep the camera pointed this way because we are bypassing a nude beach on the way. So yeah, just bypassing that nude beach. Chris mentioned, ow! Yes. Mentioned we were not dressed appropriately for it, but kind of glad I had a shirt on right there. Cave is just over there. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Whoa. It's like carved out in here.
Right.
This is crazy.
Bob, Badger Cave, Badger Cave.
Yeah, really though.
What does that mean?
We were looking at dangerous animals of Crete and badgers.
Yep.
They're pretty safe unless you go into their caves, apparently.
Oh God, stop.
Wow. Wish I had brought my flashlight, but I didn't. Hope there's more people coming in. Cool. Look at that view. Heading back from the beach. Check this out. Look at this view from here. We had to pull over. We found a restaurant called the Panorama, stopping in for a drink, but that's the beach where we just were. Like, everywhere you look, it's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life here. It's crazy. Panorama Taverna. Hello.
Hello.
Two?
Two?
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you. Wow. Espresso, some dessert. You wouldn't believe how good this baklava is. I can't even begin to tell you how good the baklava was there. The honey was insane. Really good. All right, so made it back home, had an incredible day. I have to tell you, I can't stress this enough. If you do that gorge, the water is freezing. It took my breath away to the point that I had to grab the sidewall for a second to kind of regain my breath, and it was worth it though. It was well worth it. The beach was really cool. Not a lot of people, it wasn't too busy, and that baklava was top notch. The honey in it is just so good. But yeah, back home, little swim, and go for dinner.
Does everybody have the drinks?
Sannyasas.
Cheers.
Sannyasas.
Sannyasas.
Just joking. It's going up in the kitchen right now.
So we're at a restaurant, Gorge's. Second time. There's been a huge accident in the back, but this place is freaking amazing.
It's amazing. That's what makes it special. It's family.
Orea, we are special family. And we have special food. I give you information. You eat everything: lamb, pork, cheese, walnut, garlic.
yeah.
Okay,
Everything.
everything. From the special of the day, I have all.
That all
I
sounds
think
so
we know.
amazing.
We know what we're
Okay,
We're gonna eat
ready?
everything we didn't eat last time.
Yep, exactly. We gotta hit the rest
Oh,
of the
try
menu this
something
time.
different today.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
So we're just asking if we can actually take a look at the grill in the back. Can we come back?
this way over here.
That way? Okay. Georgia, owner of the restaurant, is letting us do just that. So a little dark here, but I actually have my flashlight. Yeah, here. Oh, over here.
Give me a second to open the lights so you can see basically.
Oh, my battery died. Ooh, there it is. Nice charcoal grill. Get some lamb chops going. Here's the end result. Get some lamb chops. Matt's pork over here. How's it tasting so far?
Oh, so good, Bob. So good.
So today we are going to stay a little bit more local to the Airbnb. We're in Georgiopoli, which is the town that we overlook from there. Gonna go get some eats. If you're in this area, definitely look up Gorge's, where we were last night. That's been about the best food that we have had so far, and Gorge's awesome. She comes right to the table, explains everything, and very passionate about her food, which is cool. So that is gonna be it for today. Keep an eye out for another video on the trip, maybe even another couple of videos on this trip coming very soon to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.